Hi, I'm Owen Honey, a local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, Builders has got a great variety of different countertops to choose from. Different styles, different finishes. There's so much variety for you. Well, we've installed this solid wood look for mica top in this bathroom. Let me show you how you can achieve this exact same finish in your bathroom or in your kitchen. The products you will require to complete this task are a pencil, tape measure, 14mm square head chipboard screws, square head screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, crafter's knife, a pipe wrench, electric drill with 4mm wood bit, silicone sealant, and a caulking gun. Well, before we get started and replace this counter, what we need to do is make sure that the water is switched off. Now you can do that by switching off the stopcocks underneath the basin. Otherwise, what you're going to need to do is go outside and switch off the water mains and make sure that there's no water all over your bathroom. It's quite an easy job to do, but if you feel uncomfortable, please do get a plumber. So once the pipes and water has been disconnected, you can remove the basin. Carefully cut away the old silicone with your crafter's knife, getting rid of everything. Disconnect your waste pipe, and once everything is loosened up, you should easily be able to remove the basin. The next thing we need to do is fix this counter in place. All we're going to do is drill pilot holes using our 4mm wood bit, and it's 4 screws that keeps it in place. Fairly simple and easy, no mess, no fuss. So once the counter is in place, what you need to do is make sure that it's sealed off on all edges that is against the wall. That'll ensure that no water gets behind that and damages the wood at a later stage. So a little handy tip when you're about to silicone. The silicone nozzles come out on a straight edge like that, and I don't like working like that because it's very difficult to apply the silicone in the places you need it. So what I say is take your crafter's knife and cut it at a 45-degree angle, and that way you can get a better edge when siliconing those edges. Well, we sealed off the basin and this countertop looks amazing. You would swear it is natural wood. Well, everything we used in this insert is available at Builders in store or online. Go to www.builders.co.za. For more how-to videos like this, click on our tab on our website. Get to Builders.